everyone, welcome back to the another video of learning English. So today I want to talk about your fear of speaking English. Please ignore this noise. Okay, just wait. Okay, so what I was telling you that I want to talk about your fear. Okay, fear of speaking English. So basically this is my speaking practice, but I also want to give some motivation to the beginners because they are also delaying to start this journey just because of their fear. Okay, because you know what, fear is the biggest enemy of English. Fear of speaking wrong, fear of sounding wrong, fear of laughing people, fear of mistakes. But let me tell you one truth, that people forget your mistakes very fast. Okay, and you remember your fear for years and you don't start. So start with simples, like simple words, simple sentences. If you are extremely a beginner, then you can start with one simple sentence every day. Okay, and speak slowly and just accept your mistakes. Okay, because if you are making mistakes, that means you are learning. And one another thing that I want to tell you, that your fear only goes away when you face it, not when you avoid it. Okay, every fluent speaker was once afraid. You are not different, so don't just get late. And okay, start this journey because this is not impossible. Okay, if you are scared, you are not alone. Okay, this is what I want to tell you. And one another thing, that we just need to put some extra efforts to learn this. Yeah, okay. Everything, this is a language and it will take time. So it took a lot of time for me to learn this language too, and yet I'm not fluent. But this is my speaking practice and I want to be fluent. That's why I am speaking every day in English, even it's for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, no matter, but I just speak in English. So start your journey today from now. Okay, so if you like this video, do that like button, like hit that like button, sorry, and subscribe this channel too. Okay, I will meet you in the next video with another topic, because I have chosen a lot of topic to speak English for my practice. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.